Hi friends, I'm Mary with Alaskan Homemaker. Today I'm making Korean beef with veggies. I'm also going to make cucumber kimchi and a cilantro side dish. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start with our cucumbers first. I like to slice my cucumbers in half like this, and then I like to slice them on a diagonal. So they're like little slivers. Okay, now we're going to put some salt on our cucumbers. Probably about a half a tablespoon. And then we're going to mix that around so it draws out some of the moisture from the cucumbers. Okay, we'll let that sit for a second. And then we'll get our green onions chopped. I like to slice these really thinly. Now we're going to chop up the garlic. This is my homegrown garlic from this year. When you grow your own garlic, you get huge cloves of garlic. This is music garlic. Okay, now we're going to smash them. Okay, I rinsed all the salt off. And now we're going to add some garlic. We're going to add some sesame oil. We're going to add some gochugaru. It's Korean crushed pepper flakes. We're going to add some black sesame seeds. Now we're going to add some of our chopped green onions. And then we're going to give this a mix. I'm going to add just a bit more red pepper gochugaru. My husband doesn't like it too spicy, but it needs just a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to mix this up again. You can use regular sesame seeds if you don't have the black sesame seeds. Either one will work good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna taste it to see how it tastes. It needs some salt in there. Give that a stir. That's perfect. Now we'll put this in our serving dish. There we go, there's our cucumber side dish, cucumber kimchi. Now in the same bowl, I'm not gonna wash it, I'm gonna put the cilantro in this one. Okay, I washed my cilantro really good and I cut off the ends, the very ends, but I am gonna use the stems and leaves on this cilantro. This is a delicious side dish if you love Korean food. It's one of our favorites. Drop that in there. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. And some green onions. And I'm going to put some rice vinegar. This one's the seasoned rice vinegar. Just put a splash of that. And we're going to put sesame oil. A drizzle of that. And we're going to put some gochugaru, the Korean red pepper flakes. And then we're going to give this a mix. Give this a taste. I think I'm going to put a little more of this seasoned rice vinegar in there. Okay, now I'll taste this again. Let's see. That's perfect. Now we'll get this into a serving bowl. And there's our cilantro side dish. Now we're going to chop up some onion. And now we're going to get our meat chopped up, our beef. And I'm going to cut this really as thin as I can. This one is still a little bit frozen, and it's easier to cut when it's a little bit frozen. Okay, now to our beef, we're going to add some soy sauce. We're going to add 2 tablespoons. I've got liquid aminos that I'm using today. And we're going to put some sesame oil. And some black pepper. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of potato starch. I get my potato starch from Azure Standard. We have a drop where I live. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm gonna put some avocado oil in my pan. I turned my heat up to 6. The beef is starting to get a good sear on it, so I'm going to flip it now. I'm going to put a little bit more avocado oil in here. The beef is almost done, so I'm going to take my frozen veggies. I got some frozen veggies from Costco, and I'm going to put these in my boiling water over here. And I also forgot to mention that I started some jasmine rice in my rice cooker. Okay, I'm going to take this beef out. Okay, and I'm going to saute our onions and garlic. I'm going to put a little more avocado oil. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to add the beef back in. I'm going to sprinkle the green onions on top of the meat. I'm going to turn that off. And now I'm going to drain our veggies. Pardon the dishes. There's this awesome tool on Amazon that I love this thing. So when you don't want to get your big colander out, you can use this, and you just set it on top and then hold the handles and drain your water in the pot, and then you just have a thin strainer to wash. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we're going to season our veggies up. So I have some Korean beef broth here. I'm going to put some in here, and you can just do it to taste. It's salty, so just do it until it tastes good to you. This is one of our favorite ways to eat vegetables. Put that, and then we're going to put a little sesame oil too. A little drizzle. And then we're going to give that a mix. You can find the Korean beef broth at an Asian store near you. Okay, and then we'll just taste a little piece and see how it tastes. It's perfect. It's really delicious. You guys got to try it. And then you can just mix your veggies with your meat or have your meat on your rice and serve it like that. So we will give this a try. We tasted everything else, so we'll just try the beef and see how it tastes. And here's our jasmine rice. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna add some of the beef, the Korean beef broth to this beef over here. It needs a little extra flavor, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this beef broth in here. And give this a mix. Okay, now we'll give this a taste. That's much better. That Korean beef broth just made the flavor perfect. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.